Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of Discord and showing you how to create and manage roles in your server. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open your Discord website or app. The first thing you'll need to do is access your server settings. To do this, simply right-click on your server's name and click on Server Settings. Once you're in the server settings, navigate to the Roles tab on the left-hand side. This is where all the magic happens. Step 2. To create a new role, click on the Create Role button. Give your role a name and choose a color, if desired, and set the appropriate permissions. Remember, roles can be used to differentiate members' access to channels, text, and voice permissions. Step 3. Let's talk about permissions in more detail. You can allow or deny various permissions such as reading messages, sending messages, managing messages, and more. Step 4. Now that you've created your roles, it's time to assign them to your server members. You can do this by going to the Members tab in your server settings, then clicking on the plus icon that's located near to member's name. From here, you can assign roles by clicking on the role. Step 5. If you need to make changes to a role, simply click on the pencil icon. You can modify its name, color, and permissions. If a role becomes obsolete, you can also delete it by right-clicking and selecting Delete. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to make roles on Discord. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.